the second of three 52-inch brown Emerson Casablanca Classic Premium ceiling fans. For those who didn't see the video of the last one, I got 3 off of a Facebook listing. And this one is the second of the 3 that I'm testing. Yeah. So it's basically the same fan as the last one. I don't know if you guys saw the last one, so I'll try to run down the same information that I can from that video. Even though I recorded it like an hour ago, I can't remember what I said. Yeah. These are three fans. Yes, there are 3, but they're 3-speed, electrically reversible. The switch is on the top of the motor. They all came 100% complete even with their mounting systems, which is a rarity with these early 80s Emersons. So yeah, I guess we'll fire it up on low speed. I have no idea if I pulled the chain one too many times. Doesn't look like it. This one is probably the worst condition-wise out of the 3. That being, there's a bent blade. They're all kind of bent because they're all kind of sticking up just a little bit, but not too much. Not as bad as Fasco's do. But they're still sticking up just a little bit. And also the bearings aren't that great in it. Yeah, but on the flip side though, the one thing that this fan does better than the others is the fact that it does not have a loose switch housing, which is another rarity in these Emersons. Here's medium. This fan does have a wobble issue. It's definitely worse than the other one. I haven't tested the third one yet, so I can't really give you a rundown on those. This is why I wish I had a bigger space for this, but so especially if I get like 3 of the same fan, I can test them all together. Instead of having to rely on my horrible memory. But I mean, I could do that on the display, but not worth my time. So yeah, here's high. Yeah, you can probably tell like the wobble issue on this fan is pretty prevalent, is that even a word? And also this fan is much louder than the other one, because the other one was dead silent. This one really doesn't have any bearing noise. It just has a really loud hum. Yeah, I'll shut up so you can hear it. Actually, here's what we're gonna do. Instead of me shutting up and hoping the microphone picks it up, we're gonna get a close-up of the fan, and I'm basically gonna just hold the camera for the rest of the video. There's crap all over the floor. Not sure if I mentioned that these are K55 Emersons. They're not K63. So yeah, they are a bit slow, but they do push off good air. I'll give them that. Yeah, there's that motor hum I was talking about. And it's only on high speed when you can hear it, so. Yep, that's gonna do it for this 52-inch brown Emerson Casablanca Classic Premium ceiling fan. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Peace out, and be kind to one another.